Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We have got something special for you. 5 fantastic entryway ideas for open living room. Whether you are dealing with limited space or just looking to suppress up your entrance, we have got you covered. Let's dive in simple yet stylish solution that anyone can master. Step into a room that feels big and open. Picture high ceiling and a grand entrance welcoming you. Make it special with eye-catching things like a huge mirror or captivating artworks. Adding to the feeling of openness, choose light color for the wall or make the space look even bigger and brighter. It is inviting sunshine indoor. By using these key ideas, you are creating a warm and spacious atmosphere that anyone can enjoy. With the right touches, your living space becomes a place where everyone feel comfortable and at easy. So let's the grand entrance set the tone for a room that is not just big but feel welcoming and full of light. Transform your living space with a touch of nature. Imagine walking into a room that feels like a peaceful garden. Simply bring the outdoors in by adding plants, big windows and furniture in soft light colors. Plant breathes life into your space. Large windows let in natural light and light colored furniture enhance the screen's vibe. This entryway ideas creating a calming and open atmosphere, making you feel like you are entering a tranquil garden each time. It is an easy and refreshing way to make your home a smoothing retreated from the outside world. Enjoy the beauty of nature right at your doorstep. Mirror work like magic to make your living room feel bigger and brighter. Just position them clearly to bounce light around or create a spacious vibe. This trick is especially awesome for cozy or small living rooms. Imagine it is like a superhero move for your space. Mirror reflect light, giving the illusion of more room. It is not just practical, it is stylish too, adding a touch of flair to your entryway. So if you want your living room to feel open and chic, embrace the mirror magic. It is simple but powerful, making even the tiniest space feel like a garden heaven. Select furniture that appear to float above the floor for a modern and open feel. Pick sofas and chairs with visible legs or transparent materials. This choice not only bring a contemporary style but also make the room feel more spacious. Why? Because light can easily pass beneath the furniture, preventing a charmed, compared sensations. Imagine it like magic. Your furniture seems to hover, letting the room breathing and giving it a trendy vibe. So when shopping for furniture, keep an eye out for points with legs or see-through elements. It is simple trick that transform your living space into an airy and stylish heaven. Create a smooth transition for your entryway to the living room by keeping things simple and connected. First, choose the same flooring throughout the space to make them feel like one big area. Use similar color schemes to tie everything together. Skip bulky furniture or big dividers at the entrance. These can make the space feel cramped. Instead, go for open shelves or a short console table. This choice keep the flow going, making your home feel more open and welcoming. It is like having conversation between the entryway and living rooms, with each part complementing the others. Keep it light, keep it connected, and enjoy the easy breezy feel of a seamlessly linked home. And there you have it, 5 budget friendly ideas, entryway idea for open living room. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next one.